The head is stitched on using ladder stitch, and I just do this loosely initially so that I can just tug it on gently to fold in that flap. So sometimes I use quite large stitches, and you always catch an arm or something. You're bound to catch here. Usually I'll wrap the hair in paper towel or something. But today I'm just taking that risk that it will all be alright. So now I'm just going to gently pull all this together. Use the needle to tuck everything in. And I always use a good strong thread for this, always a single thread. So just making sure that's all tucked in. And give it a tug. So when I'm pretty clear about the angle, and to me that actually looks pretty good, you can just go around again just to make sure. Anyway, I'll do that and check it out.